guessing to Gone Wrong, episode 1.
Gone.
Episode 150.
Here we go. Oh. Yeah, like I'm not just gonna suddenly just like throw it over and hit someone.
Come and have lunch.
Why is it not focusing?
Like a rapid changing environment. Oh, but it's probably fine. Why are you filming me?
I can't even.
Silly old fox. Doesn't he know there's no such thing as Gruffalo?
Roast. I hate how I hate the spinning on this because like you can't like film.
Silly old fox. Doesn't he know there's no such thing as Gruffalo?
It smells disgusting.
Oh, hello.
Going to little brown house. Come and have tea in our treetop house.
No.
It smells disgusting.
Well, we would have been told by now, so.
Silly old owl. Doesn't he know there's no such thing as Gruffalo?
Can't wait to the snake bit.
Owl ice cream.
Silly old owl. Doesn't he know there's no such
It
thing as
smells nice. This part smells nice.
Come for a feast in my lock barrels. Doesn't he know there's no such thing as a Gruffalo?
Gruffalo.
Yeah, he's the best voice actor.
It's already been 3 minutes.
Great.
I think we'll miss the silence because no one hit.
Now have silence on it. Be quiet.
Imagine it just like stop us on the lift hill.
Don't you already spin?
What?
Don't you already spin?
Oh yeah.
Ah. That's not part of the sneak operation.
Just walk behind me, and soon you'll see everyone is afraid of me.
Hey,
What?
Gruffalo has ceased operation.
Yeah.
Gruffalo has ceased operation. Careful of the lift.
Yeah. Ah. Oh. Hey, it's been 4 minutes plus the time that we spent, the time that I recorded.
What the hell?
And we started at like 10:56, so I think we've missed it.
Now my tongue is my favourite food.
Gruffalo Crunch.
Where's the mist part?
Oh yeah.
The best part. Oh.